Well, like you just heard, today's swearing-in ceremony will be the largest in Indian history. Not only will security forces have to protect Narendra Modi and his newly appointed cabinet, the first names of which you heard first here on Headlines today, but also as many as 7 heads of state and scores of diplomats. Here's a look at how they're preparing for this grand public event.
Preparations are in full swing for swearing in of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Tight security arrangements are being made at the venue in Delhi. An estimated 5,000 security personnel deployed in New Delhi. The Air Force has taken the air security measures. The threat perception heightened especially due to the visit of these two men, Pakistan Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif and Sri Lankan President Mahinda Rajapakse, both top on the list of many terror outfits. Security agencies are taking no chances. Section 144 to prevent protest is being imposed in the capital, and no protests will be allowed anywhere except designated areas at Jantar Mantar. Airspace above Delhi is to be completely secured, with even drones not allowed for that day. More than 5,000 security personnel will be deployed to protect the capital. Tight security arrangements have been put in place by the NSG commandos, SPG-1 squad. Very tight security will be placed around the entire Rashtrapati Bhavan area. Snipers have been deployed on the high-rise buildings as well.
राष्ट्रपति भवन के आसपास जो एरिया है उसमें सारी सिक्योरिटी लगाई जाएगी। बाकी रूफटॉप पे सब पे स्टाफ लगाया गया है। कमांडो की भी तैनाती की गई है। एयर डिफेंस मेजर्स भी लिए गए हैं।
Due to security reasons, all offices in central Delhi will be shut at 1 p.m.
Modi's Gujarat police security arrangement will soon be phased out and will be taken over by the guards of Special Protection Group, while the SPG personnel in his close protection team would remain the same as the former Prime Minister. Sources say his outer security cordon will be multiplied several times.
Delhi police has also closed several roads around the Rashtrapati Bhavan and diverted traffic in a few others. Stay clear of the road between Vijay Chowk and Rashtrapati Bhavan, the South Fountain area of Vijay Chowk, North Avenue Road, Dalhousie Road and Church Road. To ensure that the movement of the VIP invitees are not hampered, certain roads will remain out of bounds for the public. The road that connects Rail Bhavan to Parliament, Raisina Road, Pandit Pant Marg. The road connecting Talkatora Stadium to Parliament House, K. Kamaraj Marg, Motilal Nehru Marg, Security Line Area Road, Mother Teresa Marg, Sardar Patel Marg, Shankar Road. While the cops are trying to spread the news, rush hour traffic in New Delhi may face many snarls. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.